contract?
No,
to do this?
no, it's not. Well, I don't really know. I don't really read the contract.
You don't?
I should.
Well, you should.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
this wasn't in.
This wasn't in.
Well, I don't know about yours. It wasn't in mine. Oh, here it is. Hi.
Hi,
My name is Luis Galindo,
I'm Julia Draper.
and we're doing a play called The Birds by Aristophanes here at Classical Theater Company. It's really funny.
It's a comedy.
Yeah. I play a guy called Piss the Terrace. Really?
It's the terrace.
Piss the Terrace, yes.
And I play a person,
Mm-hmm.
Euripides.
Yes.
That's what I'm playing.
We're a team.
We're a team.
We're sort of a comedy duo.
Dynamic duo.
A dynamic duo of hoots and hijinks.
And shenanigans.
Yeah. And hoots.
Hoots.
There's a lot of hoots.
I love that play on words. I love that.
Because it's the
The
birds.
birds.
Hoots.
That's really clever.
Yeah, thanks.
You're a little cuckoo.
Are you mocking me?
Oh, but yeah.
So if you like this kind of comedy, and who doesn't, come see The Birds.
Caca.
Cock.
Which show this time?
Hi, my name is Philip Hayes, and I am the director of Classical Theater Company's production of The Birds by Aristophanes. This play, to me, is kind of like the 2,000-year-old version of a Marx Brothers movie. It's one kind of central premise of what would happen if two guys left society and wanted to create the ideal place for themselves to live.
Don't forget, there's birds though.
Yes, there are birds.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry.
I'm getting to that.
Yeah, sorry. You know, sorry.
Yeah, it's really a play though about people and about two people in particular that are sick of society and sick of politics. I think we can all relate to that these days. Yeah, and they're out to create the ideal place for themselves, and inadvertently or maybe advertently turn it into exactly the kind of place that they were running from in the first place.
Shirley's Home also, it's not the Hitchcock film.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
not based on
I
I just don't know people that were confused.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry. It's not the Hitchcock film.
It's not.
The birds are not attacking anyone, so you'll be safe when you come see it. And I hope you do, and I hope you have a great time at Classical Theater Company's production of The Birds.
There's also music in the play.
Hi! We're the birds! This is who will wait!
Come join our flock.
Join our flock!
From April 6th
April 6th!
through the 24th.
Through the 24th!
I just said that.
He just said that!
Please come join